What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Doing an unboxing of some of my favorites. So this shoe right here, I didn't think it was gonna be available like that, but it was. I think it's just like a common taste, you know, like people may or may not like them, the actual shoe and then the actual color, but I'm down with them. I'm here for them both. So when you see them, you're gonna be like, hey, if you follow my channel, you'll be like, yeah, you got a couple shoes like that. Boom, you know, your standard Nike box. Oh, upside down. There we go. Now for the camera on still for the unveiling. Sound effects, please. Yeah, just creamy butter white and gum on the bottom. So, in case you didn't know, these are Nike Air Rays. So, the thing I like about this shoe is just the uniqueness of it. You know, you got that kind of crisscross thing, and feet getting kind of swollen lately and stuff like so. As they swollen, but sometimes it's hard to wrap this strap around. But I rock, and you know, I rock with it. So the leather is nice and cool, long. Plush, gonna be tough. The only thing these right here are kind of like some kind of nylon. So, you know, kind of if those get dirty there, you're gonna have to go to work on them. The bottom sole right here is it's kind of like a plastic kind of foam. It has some kind of coating on it, so that's not gonna get dirty. You got the laces, and then you really can't see that. But look, all right, so I can open it. Yeah, I should have opened it up before, but you know, the Nike Air tongue goes back to them shoes back in the day. You know, for outdoor use only on the bottom, Air Raid. We got the other pair. Thumbnail action. You know, let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. What was y'all? Were y'all looking for these or not? I know I was. I thought they were gonna be a little bit more crisp, but turns out that, you know, it's just how it is. So, but yeah, be able to keep these clean. And I got, you know, the other pair of Air Force Ones, just like these, but they're low. You know, so gum on the bottom, white on the top. I can't go wrong. But yeah, until next time, y'all. Catch you later for the next unboxing. Take care of each other. Long live D-Mac.